we celebrate Steph and Eric's union with a symbolic sand ceremony. This ceremony represents the combining of their lives on the foundation of their commitment to one another. That foundation includes their families, their upbringing, and all the important steps that have led them on their journeys to this point, to who they are today. This foundation will support them in their love as they grow and change together. Steph and Eric, today you are making lasting commitments to share the rest of your lives with each other. That commitment is symbolized through the pouring of the 2 individual containers of sand.
Eric, you're my best friend. You are the sweetest, smartest, most patient, and most productive person I have ever met. I am so lucky that I get to be with you forever. I love you more than anything in this world, including books. I've never been happier than I am when I'm with you. I can't imagine my life without you. You are more than worth the wait. I promise to always love you, support you, and rub your head. I promise to watch golf with you, but only the majors or if Bill is winning. I choose you, and I promise to always choose you every day for the rest of our lives.
Stephanie, I noticed how smart and how independent you were, and I really loved how you knew what you wanted and you worked so hard for what you wanted. And I noticed how you really liked to win. Your fire was infectious and being friends came so naturally. Talking about school and life and the future was so exciting. And serving together was really fun. When you called dibs, it couldn't have surprised me more or made me happier. Though so far away from each other, when our friendship turned to romance, it gave me so much hope. You stayed with me through my doubts and through my pain and through my fears, and you have made my life wonderful. From our first kiss to this moment, I have wanted to be with you more than anything else. I promise to work out with you, to take you on trips, and support your education and your career. I promise sunny walks when it's warm and not raining, and cozy snuggling when it's cold. Date nights with good food and fun, and trying new things no matter how crazy. I promise to take you to bookstores whenever you want, to keep you warm when it gets cold, and to make the decisions you don't want to make. I promise to make your family my family, to be a good uncle, brother, and son. I promise my time, my heart, my everything to you, my friend, my love, my wife.
Do you take Stephanie as your wife and commit to keep the promises that you have made to her this day?
Yes, I do.
Do you take Eric as your husband and commit to keep the promises that you've made to him this day?
Yes, I do.
With the circle of love, marriage encompasses all of life's most important relationships. A wife and a husband are each other's best friend, confidant, lover, teacher, listener, and counselor. Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of life. Happiness is fuller, memories are fresher, and commitment is stronger. Marriage understands and forgives the mistakes life is unable to avoid. It encourages and nurtures new life, new experiences, and new ways of expressing love. When two people pledge to love and care for each other in marriage, they create a spirit unique to themselves, which binds them closer than any spoken or written words. Marriage is a promise, a potential made in the hearts of two people who love.